Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we will learn how to say how are you in many different ways. We will learn many responses and we will practice conversation with a partner. Let's get started. Let's practice some informal ways of saying how are you. Repeat after me. What's up? What's happening? What's new? What's going on? What are you up to? How do we respond to these questions? Well, your response can be the same to all of the questions. Repeat after me. You can say, not much. Nothing much. The usual. Same old. After you respond, you should always ask them how they are feeling. Repeat after me. You can say, what about you? Go ahead, repeat after me. What about you? What's up with you? What's new with you? What's going on with you? What's happening with you? What are you up to? Now let's put it all together. A short conversation can be, what's going on? The usual, what's going on with you? Or a short conversation can be, what are you up to? Not much. What about you? Now it's your turn to ask me how I am. Go ahead, you can say, what's new? Or, what's happening? Go ahead. The usual, what about you? Let's try one more time. This time, use a different question. Go ahead. Nothing much. What's new with you? Let's practice one more time. This time I will ask you a question. What are you up to? Go ahead. You can say, same old. What about you? Or you can say, nothing much. What's happening with you? Go ahead. What are you up to? Great work. This is how we speak to our friends. So let's practice with a friend.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. What about you?
Same old. Hey, what are you up to?
Just the usual. What's happening with you?
Not much.
Hey, what's going on?
Same old, what's new with you?
Not much. Great work. Let's listen to them one more time. Make sure you pay attention.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. What about you?
Same old. Hey, what are you up to?
Just the usual. What's happening with you?
Not much.
Hey, what's going on?
Same old, what's new with you?
Not much. That will be all for today. You did wonderful. Don't forget to practice conversation with a friend. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I understand that there are many informal ways of saying how are you. I can use what's up, what's happening, what's going on, what are you up to, and what's new. I can respond by saying not much, nothing much, the usual, and same old.